funny. That is adorable.
Is it wrapping its tail around?
Yeah, everything.
Because she wants some monkey hugs.
It's so cute.
I think it's your job to hug her. Aww. What does she want to do?
She knows me. I've been here around her all the time. She knows, like,
Hello.
this is Nico and Jerry. 7 years
I
and 5
love
years.
it so much.
They're 45 years
Oh my god.
The lapella?
old. 45, 47
Oh,
years.
45. Okay, I thought you said 425. I'm like, that's better then. She's got your brain.
Still.
Okay, you stay there and me eat this flower.
You're holding it. Look how your hair is so good.
Jake, look at their tails. Look.
Look.
Yeah.
Okay.
To the bottom of the tail.
You didn't feel any of this. You have
like
to
a
feel this.
Hands on its tail.
Yeah.
Excuse me. Excuse me.
Are you videotaping?
Okay.
Yeah.
This is hysterical. She does not want to let Tara go. Here.
Here. Oh.
Let me see.
Look.
Let Jake get home.
She's got her tail around your back.
Come in there, Jake.
Jake, just go in like there.
Like man's a beautiful run too much lady. She goes.
Yeah, she's not hugging me as much as she was hugging them. Yeah, she just put her hands on you.
Tara, go back in.
Look at that with girls. Look at that, Tammy.
Wow.
Look at that. Look at that. Got everything in there.
I wonder why. She's like that with the girls.
Because men are dogs.
That's what it is. Okay, that's too adorable.
This is so cute.
We want to take this thing home.